Welcome to our beginner's guide on understanding smartphone specs. Today, we'll demystify the technical jargon and help you make informed decisions when choosing a smartphone. Let's begin. First, we are going to touch on the display and how to understand its specifications. Smartphone displays often come with fancy names, but the technology behind them is often similar. For example, Apple's Super Retina XDR and Samsung's Dynamic AMOLED or Super AMOLED all refer to OLED display tech. Some companies simply call it AMOLED. On the other hand, IPS LCD is common in budget phones. AMOLED stands out as top-tier display tech, offering superior brightness, contrast ratios, color range, and viewing angles compared to IPS LCD. Next, the CPU, brains of your smartphone. The processor is a critical component that determines your phone's performance. It's often measured in gigahertz for speed and consists of multiple cores for parallel computing. These cores handle tasks separately, leading to faster processing. Processors, also known as system-on-chips or chipsets, integrate various components like radios and GPUs. In essence, a faster processor with more cores results in a faster phone overall. Included with a mobile processor is a graphics processing unit, commonly known as GPU. The GPU's role involves managing a device's visual rendering, especially concerning the creation of 3D images. Its primary functions are evident in video games and, more recently, augmented reality applications. In augmented reality scenarios, the device enhances the live camera feed by integrating computer-generated objects and effects seamlessly. Now, let's talk about memory, RAM and ROM. RAM, or Random Access Memory, is essential for storing active operations and apps, ensuring quick access when needed. Having more RAM supports multitasking by allowing smoother transitions between apps and simultaneous background processes. However, excessive RAM does not always guarantee improved performance, as other factors also play a role. On the other hand, ROM, or read-only memory, serves as your device's storage space for files, apps, and media. This memory stores all your data, files, and so on, plain and simple. The more data, files, photos, and videos you plan to have on your phone, the more internal storage you should be looking for to accommodate that. Camera specifications on a smartphone usually follow the same logic as they do on classic cameras. The more megapixels you get, the higher will the resolution of your photos be, hence higher detailization and overall quality. The difference with smartphones is that modern devices use software processing on the pictures you have captured, enhancing them even further. So, just look at the examples of camera photos and videos in whatever phone you are looking to get and see if you like them or not, as simple as that. When it comes to battery and charging, the situation is similar to camera. Even though the battery capacity is a pretty reliable marker of how durable the phone is going to be, modern devices tend to use software to learn your usage patterns and optimize the battery work accordingly, prolonging the phone's autonomy. Hence, pay attention to battery capacity and how good are the phone's manufacturer's battery drivers. Charging is also relatively simple. The more watt your charger has, the quicker your device will charge. There is also wireless charging, a very convenient way to juice up your battery, and watts work the same here. The more it has, the faster it will charge. And well, as far as the basics go, that will be more or less it. If you have any remaining questions, do not hesitate to leave them in the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye-bye.